The Movement Studio is a private physical therapy practice and small boutique Pilates studio. And what we do here is work with clients privately as well as teach classes throughout the week, and there's also some workshops happening on the weekends. The studio's small and private and quiet, so it's a nice peaceful environment to come and work on your body and work on your fitness and your posture. I can also provide you with a home program that you can do in the studio. So if you're wanting to come in and have some instruction and have me set you up on a program and just come in on your own and use the facility. The difference with the studio is the classes are really based on this method that I study called Postural Restoration work. It's called PRI. So it's a certain kind of Pilates, we call it PRI Pilates. And it's really focused on restoring the posture in a way that's different than classic Pilates. And I find it from a physical therapy perspective much more supportive to the body and really helps people get out of pain. Now, what I see a lot in my practice is people who maybe have a job where they're sitting a lot during the week, and then they want to stay fit and they might go to a fitness class or like to hike on the weekends, but they're starting to have problems with their hips or their back, and it becomes kind of chronic in nature. And then there's worry that sets in that you're not going to be able to pick up your grandchildren or hike on the trails the way that you want to. And so a lot of my clients really benefit from the posturally corrective work, the therapeutic classes, with the Pilates emphasis and the PRI emphasis blended together. It's just a nice mix. And then also at times people need body work. So, I do that sort of blend in my private sessions of giving you a home program and also doing some myofascial work. And I also do a lot of work on the nervous system, so helping people downregulate their nervous system, especially after, say, an auto accident. So if you're interested in coming in, just give me a call and we'll set up a free discovery session. It's for 30 minutes. It's a great way for us to meet, for you to see the studio. I do a little postural assessment, and then we can just see if it's a good fit for you.